Hello, future crypto millionaires. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Pudgy penguins. The ticker is PENGU. We are looking at PENGU over USDT 30-minute chart. Please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. We had a nice falling wedge pattern going on. As you see here, we have this lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. The price action bounced here, another bounce here, another bounce, over 3 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid support trend line. And also, we have this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. The price action got rejected here. We saw another rejection here, another one, over 3 touches again. Therefore, that's a very valid resistance trend line. So the price action of PENGU was downtrending, moving inside this falling wedge pattern. This falling wedge pattern has a 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. And earlier today, we saw a very nice breakout. I gave you this setup on my Telegram group just a few hours ago. If you want to join our community, make sure that you click the link in the description below and join our Telegram group. It's totally free, but it's not going to be free forever, guys. So make sure that you join as soon as possible. So I gave you this setup a couple of hours ago after the breakout, and I stated, watch for a retest. And as you see here, the price action pulled back and had a retest and a bounce, turning that previous resistance trend line into new support. This is very bullish, guys, because this breakout can potentially be the beginning of a change of trend from a downtrend to an uptrend. During the downtrend, the price action of PENGU has been putting lower lows and lower highs, the definition of the downtrend. But after the breakout, this can be the beginning of a change of trend because as you see here, PENGU has started putting higher lows and higher highs. That's the definition of an uptrend. So for those of you who missed this, who didn't buy the breakout here or the retest right here, you might want to enter a long position when the price action of PENGU breaks above that previous local high that's located at 0.01122. If the price action breaks above it, this might be a very good buying opportunity. Buy the breakout or scale in on the retest if it happens, and wait for a continuation move to the upside so we can take some profits when the price action hits the rest of the targets that I have here on the chart. If the price action pulls back just a little bit, we might see another small pullback at this key level of support that's located at 0.01098. Technically, this can also be a very nice buying opportunity. Make sure that you always set up a stop loss, guys. So if you decide to buy the bounce on this key level of support, you can set up a stop loss right below it, somewhere below the previous swing low, for example, just in case the price action decides to pull back. So you can take a small loss and then we can find another good entry later. If the price action pulls back and experiences an even deeper pullback, I am watching to see if the price action is going to bounce at this next key level of support that's located at 0.009918. However, be careful when you trade this when the price action pulls back like that, because if we extend this falling wedge pattern and if we zoom out, for example, to the 4-hour chart, if the price action experiences an even deeper pullback, this could be a fake out, basically, right? The price action broke above the falling wedge, but then decided to pull back inside. If the price action pulls back inside the falling wedge pattern, that means that we had a fake out and the downtrend might continue. So be careful with that. What I really want to see is PENGU to stay above this upper descending yellow trend line that previously acted as resistance. And I would also prefer the price action to stay above this horizontal key level of support that I have here on the chart that's located at 0.01098. So watch for a fake out and always set up a stop loss, guys. This is a very nice way to manage your risks properly. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, the market capitalization of PENGU is currently sitting right below 700 million. Therefore, there is a lot of potential upside. PENGU is a meme coin that's built on Solana. And Solana, as a blockchain, as an ecosystem, has been killing it lately, the past few years. If this bullish momentum continues, I have a few targets that you should be watching for. These are Fibonacci levels of support and resistance, guys. The first target is the 618 Fibonacci level that's located at 0.01234. From the current price levels to this first target, that's a measured move of 12%. The next target is located at 0.01384, and that's a measured move of 25% approximately from the current price levels. This is basically the previous high that we saw back in April 28th, 2 days ago. In the short term, what I really want to see out of PENGU is the bullish momentum to continue and the price action to get back to this high. This is the first step. After that, If the price action breaks above that previous high, the next target is located at 0.01491. The measured move from the current price levels to this target, that's a 36% move out of PENGU. The last target that I have here on the chart is located at 0.01627. That's the 1.618 Fibonacci level. Let me know in the comments below, guys. What do you think about PENGU? People have been talking a lot about this meme coin that's built on Solana, and I know that many of you are interested. What is your price prediction for PENGU for 2025? Are you bullish or bearish on it? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to know what you guys think. PENGU, with a market cap of only 690 million, can easily pull a 38% move from the current price levels, guys. Just a little bit of liquidity to flow into it, and boom, a 48% move out of PENGU is nothing. Of course, we want Bitcoin to cooperate, right? Always. Bitcoin is king, Bitcoin drives the crypto market, and it's easier for these low caps to perform when Bitcoin performs well. That's all I had for you today. Again, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, and hit the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these setups. And make sure that you join my free Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. I post setups like these every single day. AI tokens, meme coins, DeFi, gaming projects, RWAs, all this kind of stuff can be found on my Telegram group. It's totally free, you have nothing to lose, but it's not going to be free forever, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.